Hey everyone, and welcome back to this tutorial. Today I'll show you how to upload an IGTV on Instagram. We can do this through the Instagram app or IGTV app, and the process is pretty much the same for both. First of all, your video needs to be at least 1 minute long to be considered an IGTV video. If it's shorter, it will be uploaded as a regular Instagram video. So let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your mobile. Tap on the profile picture at the bottom. Now tap the plus icon at the top. Right in the post creation menu, you'll see the option to choose between Reel, Post, and Story. Select the Reel option for uploading the video. Now choose the video you want to upload to either your camera or gallery. Choose the next button at the bottom screen here. Add a catchy title and a descriptive caption for your video. After that, you can set another setting as want. Finally, tap the Share and Post button and your IGTV video will be uploaded. There you have it. Uploading IGTV videos is a breeze. Now you can share your longer content and capture your audience's attention for extended periods. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.